Your body starts aging faster after 40. But the scary part is, most people are doing the exact wrong type of exercise to stop it. They spend years chasing cardio, sweating for hours, burning calories, while quietly losing the one thing that actually keeps them young: muscle. In this video, you'll learn why lifting weights matters more than cardio as you get older, what really happens to your body after 40, and how simple strength training can help you stay active, independent, and healthier for decades. Cardio is not bad. Walking is great. Cycling is great. Your heart needs movement. But if your goal is aging well, strength matters more. Because after age 30, adults start losing muscle every single year. Slowly at first, then faster after 50. And that muscle loss changes everything: your balance, your metabolism, your posture, your energy, even how easily you can get out of a chair. That's why two people can be the same age, but look and move completely differently. One still hikes, travels, and plays with grandkids. The other feels weak, stiff, and tired all the time. The difference is often muscle. Have you ever noticed older people who walk every day but still seem fragile? That's because walking alone does not stop muscle loss. And that leads to the first reason lifting weights matters more as you age. Lifting protects your independence. Most people think weight training is about looking muscular, but when you get older, it becomes about staying capable. Carrying groceries, climbing stairs, getting up from the floor, those are strength tasks. A study from the National Institute on Aging found that strength training helps older adults preserve mobility and reduce fall risk. There's a man named Jim who started strength training at 62 after feeling weak and unstable. He began with simple dumbbells twice a week. 6 months later, he could carry heavy grocery bags without pain and stop needing help lifting things around the house. That's not bodybuilding, that's freedom. The second reason, lifting keeps your metabolism alive. A lot of middle-aged adults notice the same thing. They eat the same foods as before, but suddenly gain weight much faster, because muscle burns more energy than fat. When you lose muscle, your body burns fewer calories every day. This is why many people do more and more cardio but still struggle with weight. They burn calories during the workout, but don't build the muscle that keeps metabolism higher all day long. Strength training changes that. Even 2 or 3 sessions a week can help maintain muscle mass and improve blood sugar control. The third reason may be the most important. Lifting protects your brain and quality of life. Many older adults report feeling more confident, sharper, and happier after consistent resistance training, because getting stronger changes how you feel about yourself. You stop seeing aging as decline. You start seeing progress again. A woman in her late 50s started strength training after retirement because she felt tired and emotionally low. Within a year, she said she felt 10 years younger. Not because she looked different, because she felt capable again. So should you stop cardio? No. Walk often, keep your heart healthy, but prioritize strength training. Because cardio helps you live longer. Muscle helps you live better if you're over 40, over 50, or even over 60. It is not too late. You don't need perfect workouts. You don't need heavy weights. You just need consistency. The goal isn't becoming the strongest person in the gym. The goal is staying strong enough to fully live your life.